Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All links mentioned in this review can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. GoodRx, a comprehensive online pharmacy review. GoodRx, a company renowned for its prescription discount services, has launched its own online pharmacy. This platform aims to offer users a cost-effective and convenient method of receiving medications delivered directly to their homes. In this review, I'll delve into the features, benefits, and target audience of GoodRx's online pharmacy based on my first-hand experience. Who is GoodRx Online Pharmacy for? GoodRx Online Pharmacy is tailored to individuals seeking significant savings on prescription costs without sacrificing quality or convenience. It's particularly beneficial for those managing chronic conditions, juggling busy schedules, or simply preferring to avoid the inconvenience of traditional pharmacy visits. The platform prioritizes user-friendliness and transparency, offering upfront pricing that is often substantially lower than retail prices, with no hidden fees. How does it work? Using GoodRx Online Pharmacy is a straightforward process. Simply enter your medication details on their website or mobile app to compare prices and choose the most budget-friendly option. If you already have a prescription, you can upload it directly. Alternatively, GoodRx can contact your doctor for verification. Shipping is generally free, and medications arrive securely packaged within a few business days, depending on your location. The GoodRx Gold Advantage. A key differentiator for GoodRx is its integration with GoodRx Gold, their subscription service that unlocks even greater discounts. Subscribers gain access to exclusive pricing, making it a compelling option for those with recurring prescriptions. Furthermore, readily available customer support addresses any inquiries regarding pricing, shipping, or prescription transfers, providing added peace of mind. My experience and recommendation. In my experience, GoodRx Online Pharmacy is a reliable and affordable option well-suited for anyone looking to streamline their prescription management. It delivers on its promise of affordability and convenience, supported by a user-friendly platform. If you're weary of inflated prescription prices or long waits at the pharmacy, GoodRx might be the perfect solution. Click the links in the description to explore their offerings and start saving today.